Media, yaffe Tuggussa Enssonga.
Baanirule mubere ko tukume mirembe. Tukume mirembe baanirule tukume mirembe.
Bagati bane mirembe.
Tukume mirembe. Oyo.
Omukisa nakuba batu badde kubanga kooti kati yalina kyekomererwa omulamuzi alina kisembayo ffe nawe tulekana tutya nawe twekubendu nawe twebamba kooti esigala kooti jangu otegeeza bannayuganda teri musango mutono bakumaze tuka mateeka tegubeera mutono ate kooti esigala kooti esigala yetegeredde epajja kooti esigala yetegeredde nokyo tulina kurespektinga balamuzi tulina okurespektinga kooti ne bakilaka ne bastate tulina okweyisa oyo okubeera abakaka lwakubanga omanyi nti tuli ba anulule tugezako kontrolinga n'abaana bagezako so kyetusaba twebaza looya ffe nahaabo presas
amaanyi genzadde mwana ogamanyi
Banaye musoke mubereke no.
Iyo muyingiza. Simame.
And we have the victims.
Are you involved and did you understand the process? Were you involved in the reconciliation of it today? Were you part of this process? And you agreed to meet with your complainants and you talk?
Amani gentadde mwana ogamanyi.
About the proposed reconciliation. Court does not deny them the opportunity to explore the same. However, I'm mindful of the charges the accused persons are facing, and I'm also mindful of the procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for possible withdrawal under the provisions of section 121 of the PMC. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I'll proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. Two is whether the accused persons are provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by that state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. Exo presented his sister, biological, and two friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. We are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused person. I find the sureties for X also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. Conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter of confirmation, 13 if you are married. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
amateeka gakirambika bulungi olw'ekika ky'emisango ebibavunaanibwa nti tegusobola kutabagana butabaganyi olw'ekika ky'emisango ebibavunaanibwa wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwaabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Mu nsonga ya beiro kooti egambye nti kooti bwebanga egerewo okweyigirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo ekyenkalakalira mwabeera ajja kusobola okudda mu kooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abayima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omuyima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwabi wa gavumenti teyawakanya bayima abo, era kooti nayo ekizudde baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Obuvunaanibwa obwokubiri yaleeta mwennyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde gwe muwabi wa gavumenti yawakanya abayima bano ababiri. Kooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde mikwano gy'okumala ebbanga ddene era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi buvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'avunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango ogubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu obuliwo. Ababeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano bagula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu kuba n'okwatibwa. Basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga, oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kooti ena yakizuula okwenyerwa kwabwe kujja ssazibwamu. Obukwakulizo obwo nga bumaze okutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January omwaka ogujja. Mwana Patrick alias Allen
In the absence of the complainant, what's your prayer?
In that regard,
You can't address me on the conciliation when I don't have the victim who is going to tell me whether he's guilty or not. What's your prayer? Make that prayer you want to make now.
Your Honor, in the alternative, would leave the conciliation bit to the state to address court about the additional statement on file. However, my other instructions, Your Honor, are applied to them.
kutabagana babirekedde omuwali wa gavumenti anaategeeza kooti embeera gye birimu naye bo nga bawadde olukusa oba obuyinza okusaba
Your Honor, the accused person for the applicant for bail has number one, Your Honor. Mr. Sechipi Kasim.
maasoka Sechipi Kasim. Sechipi Kasim nsembera ndagamu nti
Sechipi Kasim, Your Honor, is the chairperson of the one advertisement.
How old are you? What do you do for a living?
Chairperson of SB4 Media and businessman.
Businessman doing what?
I have been in court as far as I'm concerned.
Your boss, how are you going to ensure his transport? Remember, he does not take instructions from you. Instead, he gives you instructions. The mother of the applicant. Does that imply to the secretary? Yes, your automatic is
mwebale kusaba era tugenda wabweru ebisigadde byonna biba biwedde ati ekkiriza okweyimirako nemuwako ebirooto era essaawa zino tayimusayininga omulamuzi ali musayininga mwebale kusaba sheyali ngalayo naiki ngalayo beda tukyekweseemu beda bagambye tukwate kitegeera kyakabi kyakabi ekinenge tukitwala waka tukisula ku famoni mu kibira kigenda kukwata afananirwa abadde balowooza nti agenda kuddamu agenda malire ennaku ze zonna.
Can we have other input, the people who sponsor both? This is my ruling. all the charges. He has exercised his rights and applied for bail. He has presented 3 sureties, his chairperson LC1, the manager, and his elder sister. There is no objection on the sureties presented. Both counsel for the accused and counsel for the state has informed of the possible settlement of this matter, and that the complainant has recorded an additional statement, a copy of which has been furnished to the court. I find the sureties presented substantial, and I find that the accused resides within the jurisdiction of this court. I find the sureties will be able to prevail over the accused. There is no serious objection to the application. The same is allowed. However, considering the charges he faced, I put conditions to ensure that the reports go until the matter is determined by the DPP. So bail is allowed on the following terms. The accused is released to cash bail of 1 million shillings. The sureties are bonded at 3 million shillings, not cash. The accused is warned from leaving the country without express permission of the court. For any possible reconciliation, counsel for the accused and the state can forward the file for the DPP to advise under section 121. Considering the charges he faced, the court cannot just enter a reconciliation. If he meets the conditions above, the matter comes up on 13th January 2025 for mention. I also warn, as a word of caution, the media houses here, let's be professional. Some of you leave court and you can't start reporting your own issues. Be professional when you're reporting. And also, I'm also informing the bloggers, report what is right. Yes. If you find you are just reporting the way you want, you might come back as one of our clients.
Akabonero kaki?
Interested in upgrading your sleeping and bathing experience? Then Ziwa & Sons is the right spot for you. We sell blankets, bed sheets, duvet covers, bed covers, mattress protectors, mosquito nets, wardrobe, all closets, towels, bathrobes, pillows, traveling pillows, cushions, shoe rack, dyeing rack, and ironing boards. Buy all your favorite products online with comfort from your office and workplace, home, hostel at a go from our website www.ziwaansons.com and have it delivered to your doorstep. Call us on 0705 364 749. Ziwa & Sons, where comfort and luxury is a pleasure.
Nana Habu Mouthwash lyeddagala ettuufu lye nnakakasa mu kujjanjaba endwadde z'amannyo. Amannyo gakuluma bw'ossaayo ekyokya oba ekinnyogo gagasanyalala bw'osenya ovaamu olusaayisaayi oba ogayiza ludda lumu. Senyesa Nana naye weegendereza abafere tebakuguza kappa mu kutiya. Musange mu famasi zonna. Nana yakakasibwa National Drug Authority.